Hey guys, so I got a package from Diansheng like a while ago, probably like a week ago at this point, but I haven't had any time to get to opening this package until now. So as far as I know there's at least one 10 by 10 in here and like a non-bulk core 9 by 9. So the 10 by 10 I got because so the Diansheng had like a video contest for like FTO related things, and I like submitted my entry. It doesn't show up in the public thing because I did it through email after the fact, but like apparently I got seventh, and the prize for that is the 10 by 10. So yeah, if, as far as I know, those two are in here. There could be more things. I have no idea. You know, it's Diansheng. They always love to put a little extra. So yeah, this is the same sticker they have for when they sent me the FTO, right? The first FTO as a tester. And here's my name. All right, let's see what is inside here. So, I don't know what the best way to open this is. Oops, the other way. Oops, okay. Let's get large. Okay, oh my god, look at this box. This is so massive. Okay, so it looks like they did just send me these two. Nothing else in there. Okay, let's go with the this massive box first. Actually, no, let's go with the small one first. I think I can just rip it open. No. Frick. Oh wait, hold on. What? Wait, this is the 10 by 10? Wait a minute. Oh wait, now I'm confused. What is this? Wait, what did they send me here? What the heck? Okay, I guess I'll find out very soon. Oh my gosh, Diansheng, they're always with their surprises. Okay, so this is a 10 by 10. This is my first 10 by 10. And I can't believe I finally have a 10 by 10. This puzzle has always been a meme in the community for so long. Like, oh my god, is that a 10 by 10? I don't remember who started that. Maybe Jared Cuber or like Derpy Cuber or something. I really don't remember. Oh my god. Okay. So I have very unfortunate news actually. So as you know, I have two 8x8s. One is the bulk core, one's the non-bulk core, and the non-bulk core performs a lot better. But I like popped it. Maybe it was like last week or something, a couple days into me speed solving it, and I just couldn't put it back together. Like one of the internal pieces got loose, and eventually more and more pieces came out. It's like sort of sitting there with a bunch of pieces, like popped out, and I have no hope that I'll be able to reassemble it, but we'll see. Maybe I'll like loosen it a lot and like really go at it. But I tried for hours to reassemble it, and my hands were like dying and stuff. It's really unfortunate. I do have obviously I have another 8x8, so I'm not really that in bad of a position, but it's just really unfortunate. And yeah, I've been speed solving them quite a lot actually. I think I got my okay, let me first open this. Oh, it should be like one of these ways. Maybe this way? Oh, okay. And it's I believe the same way to open. Holy, look at that. Yeah, I'm not gonna open this because I already know what's inside. The next biggest thing I have is a 9x9, which I unboxed a while ago. Is this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2? Yeah, so this is a 9x9. Oh yeah, look at it, it's like so much bigger. I guess it's pretty similar in size, but I'm so fortunate for them. Like Diansheng is literally the best company right now. Like for me, because I'm getting a lot interested in like the non-WCA puzzles. Like no one uses any of their. Okay, I don't know if I should say this, but it's true. Like there aren't that many people speed solving WCA puzzle events with Diansheng puzzles. But like just look at the non-WCA. The Killminks, the FTO, the big cubes. Like they're at the top of those. Wow, this is so nice. I imagine this is a non-bulk core edition because, holy crap. This is, oh my god, this is gonna be a nightmare to solve. Like, so many centerpieces. Yeah, I guess we'll see how this one goes. Wow, yeah, this is a lot drier, but it definitely feels like a non-ball core. It's really nice. Okay, I want to see what times I can get on this. We'll see. Yeah, and oh, I'm definitely gonna try doing like a 2 through 10 relay. That'll be really fun. Now for this thing. What is this? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. What? This is a non-ball core 9x9? And it's, why is the package so big? I don't understand. I don't understand what this is. It looks like a 9x9, but like they told me they were gonna send, but why is the packaging so big? I'm so confused. Yeah, 9x9 there. Says 9x9. I mean, okay. Maybe someone could explain, someone from Diansheng watching this. Why is the packaging so large? I'm looking at the other 9x9 box. It's like so small. Like I still have all the boxes. I haven't thrown them out yet. They're so small compared to this. I don't understand. It sucks that these puzzles take so long to do. Not like FTO where it's so quick. Oh my god, okay. Well, this packaging is interesting. It's different. What the frick? What the heck? Wait, what? I'm so... Huh? Is this like the original packaging? Is there stuff in the bottom too? Peace out. Oh my god, look at that presentation though. That is really nice. Another bag. Oh my god. I'm so happy with all these Diansheng bags. What the heck? I'm so baffled. Okay. Yeah, the presentation of this is way nicer, I'd say. But yeah, this is the non-ball core version, which is obviously the better version. Here are the two. Oh wow, that turns quite... honestly, pretty similar. Like, I think this performance is not bad. The ball core and the odd layer puzzles aren't too bad. Like, they're way more transparent. Like, the performance difference on the even layer puzzles, but yeah, this is pretty nice. Oh god, so many... Before I really started working with Diansheng, I didn't have any of these like bit larger cubes. 7x7 was the most I had, and now I have like so many of these. It's crazy. So many FTOs as well. Wow. It's a bit like sluggish for some reason. Very interesting. What's that? It's like a black plastic, kind of. Yeah, so in any case, thanks so much to Diansheng for sending these puzzles, as usual. I know I haven't released any videos about these puzzles, because I've just been so busy, but I think I'll probably record a couple solves and then post like the best one out of those for each of these puzzles. It's so nice, especially this one turns really nice. Yeah, I'll see you guys very soon actually, because I have another unboxing to get to. So, alright.